It's a new world. A world in constant motion, built on tens of millions of terabytes of data traffic, driven by a rapidly increasing number of connected devices and billions of people connected to each other through those mobile devices. Tomorrow's demands on data services will be even greater, requiring mobile operators and telecom equipment manufacturers to provide ever greater power efficiency, higher performance, and lower cost. Welcome to Analog Devices' new microwave and millimeter wave integrated solutions, offering a complete integrated solution for your signal chain that will allow for a flexible and compact system design. The new HMC 8100 and HMC 8200 offer high performance and full integration, a power-efficient solution for the microwave backhaul market. With wide-range power control, accurate signal strength indicator, and high linearity to support different modulations requirements, Analog Devices offers the most complete signal chain solution for the communications infrastructure market. From antenna to bits and bits to antenna, you can count on the performance, reliability, and support of the world leader in real-world signal processing. Your partner in a new world of opportunity. Analog Devices. Ahead of what's possible.